Hello, hello, hello. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Shrit Space here, where we talk about speaking trees, sacred space, spirituality, law of attraction, and many, many more interesting stuff. Today's topic is one of my most favorite topics to talk on, which is obviously quantum science, quantum theory, anything related to science is my favorite. But before that, I would want to talk a little bit about Navratri also. So today is the day 4 of Navratri. And if you are only interested to see and read and hear about Speaking Tree, you can head over to the timestamps. The chapter notes are in the description box below. And also on the screen, they would appear in a few minutes. But yeah, a little bit about the day 4 and the significance of Navratri. So today's day is given for the avatar of Ma Durga, and the fourth day is represented by the goddess Kushmanda. And a little context about her name, particularly. So, the goddess represents the heart chakra, and the word Ku means small, and Ushma means energetic, and Anda is an egg. And she is generally seen riding a lioness and has 8 hands. Anyone who is experiencing any form of depression, anxiety, or any past regrets should pray to the goddess. And yes, I do remember the color that is represented for this goddess is the color yellow. So if you are celebrating, do wear yellow color clothes. And yeah, this is a little context about Navratri and Ma Durga. And I thought of adding it in since we are doing the 9 days all posting. And yes, the chapter notes are here, so we can continue with the topic of the day, which is my favorite, and I cannot just wait, make you all also wait, and I can't also wait either. So let us just start. Quantum theory, spooky action at a distance. It is written by G.S. Tripathi. This year is being celebrated as the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology to mark the centenary of major discoveries of quantum mechanics. Ever since quantum theory was discovered, it has remained enigmatic not only to common man but also to scientists who were part of this discovery. Its application changed the perception of reality. One of the intriguing discoveries of the quantum theory in the uncertainty principle. A classic example of this restrictions is that if we can accurately determine the position of a particle, there is an uncertainty in determining its momentum, and vice versa. In other words, quantum theory suggests that one cannot have a clear picture of everything of a particular at the same time. It is equivalent to saying that if we focus on two things which are apart from each other at the same time, one would be distinct and the other would be hazy. Thus, it puts limits on the observation of reality. Currently, two concepts are discussed in the realm of quantum science and technology. These are superpositions and entanglement. The quantum bits or a qubit is a fundamental unit in the quantum computer. In a normal computer, we use bits, which can be either 0 or 1. A qubit is a special one because it can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. It is called superposition. As an illustration, think about a coin that is revolving in the air. As long as it is landing or it is not landing, it can be both heads or tails at the same time. The ability to stay in more than one state makes a quantum computer faster in analyzing the complex situation than a regular computer. Another interesting property of a qubit is entanglement. Two qubits are said to be entangled when any one change or one can affect the other. Irrespective of the distance between them, it is such a complex phenomena that it is called spooky action at a distance by Einstein. Entanglement isn't a force or a signal, it is a consequence of how quantum science combine. This is purely a non-classical behavior. In classical physics system always has a definite property, whether we observe them or not. In quantum mechanics, observations play a role in different properties. The above examples suggest how mysterious the quantum world is. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna said that knowledge is shrouded in mystery until it is revealed. Gita further compares knowledge and mystery with fire and smoke. Fire illuminates while smoke darkens. The origin of mystery is desire, darkness of mind, and inertia, characteristics of a tasmic state. This revelation comes through analytics, focus, and a control of mind and reality, which becomes clear. This entanglement violates the notion that no information travels faster than light. Entanglement cannot be used for instantaneous communication. Bell's physicist G. S. Bell theorem shows that no local hidden variable theory can explain the observation and observed correlations. Quantum theory is fundamentally non-local and is incompatible with local realm. The world of quantum is evolving, reality is changing, and mystery too is expanding. Therefore, nothing should be considered as a final word, and there is no finite boundary to knowledge. This was so intriguing topic, and I loved it. And yes, the writer is an adjunct professor of physics in Behrampur University. With that, let us swiftly move to the sacred space. Quantum theory reveals a basic oneness of the universe. It shows that we cannot decompose the world into independently existing smaller units. Nature does not show us any isolated building block, but rather appears as a complicated web of relations between various parts of the whole. And it is written by Fritjof Capra. So yeah, this was something that I find interesting. Do let me know if these types of topics do ignite a spark for you guys also. And yes, with that, thank you for listening to me. This was day 4 and a big tick mark for my regularity. Thank you for keeping me so regular with the person. And I'm so happy and grateful to connect with you guys. See ya. Bye.